On board a busy bulk carrier, even the smallest electrical modifications can have a big impact on vessel operations. At Shipsmith, we recently undertook a critical project to install a new transformer for the ship's ballast water treatment system, ensuring uninterrupted power and operational efficiency. The project began with a detailed onboard inspection to assess electrical and mechanical fitment requirements. Every connection, every measurement had to be precise to maintain safety and performance standards. Materials were supplied and prepared carefully, each component crucial for a smooth installation. One of the key challenges was upgrading the ship's existing breaker to handle a 400 ampere rating. Our team safely modified the breaker in our workshop, ensuring it met all specifications before installation. Back on the vessel, our technicians prepared for installation, waiting for the scheduled blackout. Safety was paramount. Drilling and fitting were done with gloves and careful oversight. The modified breaker was successfully installed in the main switchboard, followed by reconnecting the BWTS system to the new transformer. Every connection was tested to ensure correct voltage and current flow. Each operational mode was tested for 30 minutes. All readings were normal, confirming the BWTS system was ready for continuous operation, with safety and efficiency fully verified. Through careful planning, precise modifications, and rigorous testing, Shipsmith ensured that even high-capacity electrical upgrades are carried out seamlessly. Shipsmith, delivering technical excellence on board, so every voyage sails smoothly.